y'all. So welcome back to my channel. Shar here with another video. Going into Best Buy to see what's up. I'm trying to look at the MacBook Pros because it's time for an upgrade from the MacBook Air. So I'm going in and I'm gonna go take a look. Okay. Oh, how you doing? I didn't even recognize you. Hi. Going in. Geek Squad. I mess with them, Geek Squad. Computers. Here we go. Look at these prices. Woo wee. Prices ain't no joke. See, now this is where I'm coming from. Oh no, is this where I'm coming from? Oh no, I'm coming from here. This is where I'm coming from. This one don't have a light up back. Mine lit up. Oh, yeah. So I think this is where I'm going. Yep. So I'm gonna get some help. Have somebody come over here and help me out so I can figure out which one I want. And I'll let y'all know what I decide on. Looking at all this stuff, boy. You be wanting everything. I need an Apple Watch too. I ain't got no Apple Watch. They got these nice headphones too. Okay, y'all. Here I am with Miss MacBook Pro, that is. I'm so excited because I finally get to open her. I've had her sitting over in the corner for like a week now. So today is the day. So as you can see, I got it from Best Buy. I did purchase their Total Tech Priority Support Program 24/7 365. So I guess they'll help you with anything that you purchase through them, which is good because I'm going to be switching over from my MacBook Air, which is here. She has done me well. I've had her for about 3 years now. This lights up. I think they said that the new generations don't light up, but this little Apple lights up. I'm gonna miss her, but she has done me really nice. I've been using her about 3 years, and you see how it lights up. You can't really see, but that's lit up. This is what I've been editing on. This is my iMovie. I've been in iMovie for basically the whole time I've been on YouTube. And just recently, I wanted to switch over to Final Cut Pro because, you know, I'm trying to upgrade, move on to bigger and better things. And when I tried to download it, I got this message that pretty much says that I don't have enough memory or capabilities from the MacBook Air. So I called around a few different computer places, and they were just basically saying, like, you know, it doesn't really have the capabilities like what I'm trying to do. So I don't know how true that is or not, but I know whenever I'm trying to, you know, do a movie in iMovie, if I have like maybe 2 or 3 open, I have to like delete so much because there's never enough space to like continue in whatever I'm editing. So I'm tired of getting that message. I want to do Photoshop. Basically, I feel limited, but it just felt like I was having problems with space with the MacBook Air. And if I would have known that, I wouldn't even have purchased this. I would have just went ahead with the upgrade, you know, in the beginning. But you know, I was hungry. I was trying to get my YouTube channel started, and I didn't know much. So I was just, hey, let me get this MacBook Air. It was pricey enough. This was like maybe 15. Oh, no. Oh, you know what? This was 800. This was 800 for this. Now I feel a little better because I thought this was 15. But I feel a lot better, actually. I do remember that. This was 800. That was a lot, shoot. Back then, Shoot, that was a lot for me for a computer back then. 800. I'm like, whew, I'm taking it. I'm doing an investment doing this. So I went ahead and I got this one, and she's been good to me. I've had her probably over 3 years now. I'ma miss you, Pookie. So that's the MacBook Air. That's her. She's been good. I've been editing on her for all of my videos, and I'm just ready to move on, upgrade, see what else I can do with Final Cut Pro, maybe some Photoshop, you know, things like that. More space, more memory. So and then I got the protection, or I got the tech support from Best Buy, you know, Geek Squad, and they're basically going to switch over anything from here, basically switch over my iCloud, I don't know, to the new one. So as soon as I film this video, I'm pretty much gonna head back over to Best Buy and have them switch everything over to the new one. So yep, there she is. I forgot I had some Twizzlers in the bag. So I probably need some scissors. All right. So here is the MacBook Pro, going from Air to Pro, so I can give you a comparison. Now the Air could fit in my bag over there, the Telfar bag, but I don't think that the Pro is going to be able to. Okay, so this one is 16 inches, and it has an Apple M1 Pro chip, which I know nothing about, so I'm gonna have to look more into that. And it has 16 gigabytes of unified memory. Oh Lord, I need that. So I had to see how much the Air had. Yeah, so I don't even know which version I had of the Air. I'm assuming it might have had around 8 gigabytes. So maybe like half of what this one has. So I had the Air for over 3 years. I paid $800. Do you think that I got my money's worth or not? I don't know. Now this has a lot of specs, I guess you would say. I don't want to bore you, but full size backlit Magic Keyboard and Touch ID, 10 core CPU and 16 core GPU, 16.2 inch diagonal display, and it weighs 4.7 pounds. And it feels pretty heavy too compared to the Air. Like the Air is light as a feather. This thing is giving some weight, but this was an Airhead, so let me stop. Let me stop. Okay, let me go ahead and open it. And it has a little pull tab, so I might not need scissors. It's got a little pull tab. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, the box. It's the box for me. Sleek. All right. I guess you pull this tab. Woo, this thing heavy. I'm not used to this weight. That Air was light as a feather. This got weight to it. And it's still thin to be so heavy. But 4.7 pounds, so I guess it's like one of them little dumbbells, you know? But it's nice. The size is nice. I'm gonna have to get used to this. I'm gonna have to buy a case for sure. Now, do you think you can guess what color I got? I got pink, y'all. You didn't even know they had pink, did you? Yes. I got baby pink. Okay, I'm joking. I got gray. Oh, it's so pretty. I forgot the exact name for this color, but I know it's just gray. And what I had before was like a silver. See, this is like the color of my Jeep. Now, if I could go back in time and find this color for my Jeep, I certainly would, because I love this. I mean, this is hot, y'all. This is hot. Okay, it might not be many colors for the MacBook Pro, unless this is an old article, but this one might be called Space Gray. I'm not sure. So this might be Space Gray, but that is so pretty. I'm sorry. The Space Gray is giving. I love it, y'all. I love it. Now, the Best Buy will buy your old electronics. I think they were going to give me like $250 for this, but I was a little upset because I thought I had paid $15, but now that I remember, this was $800 when I bought it. So $250 over 3.5 years, you know, I might as well keep it for $250. But you can also try to sell it like on Marketplace or eBay or Craigslist. Shoot, a relative, you might could get a little more. But this is new bay, y'all. This is new bay. So I'm gonna open her up. Okay. Did y'all hear that? Pookie already on. Pookie already on. You heard that? She said, hola. Oh, she talking in all the languages, y'all. Whatever you speak, she got you. Now, how long she gonna go? Did she start over? Y'all, I was not expecting that, but she finally asked me what language I want to choose. So I said English. Oh, now you gotta choose your country. She was talking too.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Okay, there's a lot I gotta do. So I gotta set up my Wi-Fi and a few other things, but just opening her up, I could tell like this part is so much bigger than mine. Like, you know, the touchpad or whatever you call it. You might not really be able to tell, but it's a lot larger than the touchpad on my Air. But I'm so excited. I want to start getting it set up. I got to put my Wi-Fi in. And I think I am going to take it to Best Buy so they can switch everything over from the Air onto this. So hopefully I can get my Final Cut Pro going and then learn it. Hopefully it's not much difference from iMovie. I hope not. But I mean, at least I could learn the basics. And then maybe I could edit this video in Final Cut Pro. So hopefully when you guys watch this video, it had been edited in Final Cut Pro. All right, so thank you guys for watching my unboxing of the MacBook Pro. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can give you guys an update. If you want an update, let me know. You can follow me on IG as @SharaChanel_. Make sure you like the video if you like the video. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. All right, peace out.